Chapter 11. A square root of expressions. 1. Write down the square root of expression 4a square b4. A square root 4a square b4 is equal to a square root 2 into a into b square into b square is equal to 2 into a into b square is equal to 2ab square. Answer. 2. Write down the square root of expression 9x to the power 6 y square. Square root 9x to the power 6 y square is equal to square root 3 into x cube into y is equal to 3 into x cube into y is equal to 3x cube y. Answer. 3. Write down the square root of expression 25x to the power 4 y to the power 6. Square root 25x to the power 4 y to the power 6 is equal to square root 5 into 5 x square into y cube is equal to 5x square into y cube is equal to 5x square y cube. Answer. 4. Write down the square root of 16a to the power 4 b square c to the power 6. Square root 16a to the power 4 b square c to the power 6 is equal to square root 4 into 4 a square into b into c cube is equal to 4 into a square into b into c cube is equal to 4a square b c cube. Answer. 5. Write down the square root of expression 81a to the power 6 b to the power 8. Square root 81a to the power 6 b to the power 8 is equal to square root 9 into a cube into b to the power 4 into b to the power 4 is equal to 9 into a cube into b4 is equal to 9 a cube b4. Answer. 6. Write down the square root of expression 100x to the power 8. The square root 100x to the power 8 is equal to square root 10 into x to the power 4 into x to the power 4 is equal to 10 into x to the power 4 is equal to 10x4. Answer. 7. Write down the square root of expression a to the power 20 b to the power 16 c to the power 4. Square root a to the power 20 b to the power 16 c to the power 4 is equal to square root a to the power 10 into a to the power 10 into b to the power 8 into b to the power 8 into c square is equal to a to the power 10 into b to the power 8 into c square is equal to a to the power 10 b to the power 8 c square. Answer. 8. Write down the square root of expressions a to the power 8 b square c to the power 12. Square root a to the power 8 b square c to the power 12 is equal to square root a to the power 4 into a to the power 4 into b into c to the power 6 into c to the power 6 is equal to a to the power 4 into b into c to the power 6 is equal to a 4 b c to the power 6. Answer. 9. Write down the square root of expressions 64x to the power 6 y to the power 18. Square root 64x to the power 6 y to the power 18 is equal to square root 8 into x cube into s cube into y to the power 9 into y to the power 9 is equal to 8 into x cube into y to the power 9 is equal to 8x cube y to the power 9. Answer. 10. Write down the square root of expression 36 by a to the power 36. Square root 36 by a to the power 36 is equal to square root 6 into 6 by a to the power 18 into a to the power 18 is equal to 6 by a to the power 18. Answer. 11. Write down the square root of expression a to the power 16 b to the power 8 by 16. Square root a to the power 16 b to the power 8 by 16 is equal to x square root a to the power 8 into a to the power 8 into b to the power 4 into b to the power 4 by 4 into 4 is equal to a to the power 8 into b to the power 4 by 4 is equal to a to the power 8 b to the power 4 by 4. Answer. 12. Write down the square root of expression 289 y to the power 4 by 25. Square root 289 y to the power 4 by 25 is equal to square root 17 into 17 y in square into y square by 5 into 5 is equal to 17 into y square by 5 is equal to 17 y square by 5. Answer. 13. Write down the square root of expression 324 x 12 by 169 y to the power 6. Square root 324 x to the power 12 by 169 y to the power 6 is equal to square root 18 into 18 into x to the power 6 into x to the power 6 by 13 into 13 into y to the power q into y to the power q is equal to 18 into x to the power 6 by 13 into y to the power cube is equal to 18x to the power 6 by 13 y cube. Answer. 14. Write down the square root of expression 81 a to the power 18 by 36 b to the power 12. Square root 81 a to the power 18 by 36 b to the power 12 is equal to a square root 9 into 9 into a to the power 9 into a to the power 9 by 6 into 6 into b to the power 6 into b to the power 6 is equal to 9 into a to the power 9 by 6 into b to the power 6. Cut 6 and 9 by 3 is equal to 3a to the power 9 by 2b to the power 6. Answer. 15. Write down the square root of expression 256x square y to the power 4 by 289 p to the power 4. Square root 256x square y 4 by 289 p to the power 14 is equal to a square root 16 into 16 into x into y square by 17 into 17 into p to the power 7 into p to the power 7 is equal to 16 into x into y square by 17 into p to the power 7 is equal to 16x y square by 17 p to the power 7. Answer. 16. Write down the square root of expression 400 a to the power 40 b to the power 20 by 81 x to the power 10 y to the power 18. The square root 400 a to the power 40 b to the power 20 by 81 x to the power 10 y to the power 18 is equal to square root 20 into 20 into a to the power 20 into a to the power 20 into b to the power 10 into b to the power 10 by 9 into 9 into x to the power 5 into x to the power 5 into y to the power 9 into y to the power 9 is equal to 20 into a to the power 20 into b to the power 10 by 9 into x to the power 5 into y to the power 9 is equal to 20 a to the power 20 b to the power 10 by 9x to the power 5 y to the power 9. Answer.